Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on trading Bingx cryptocurrency on the Bingx platform. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this cutting-edge exchange and take your trading game to new heights. Before we dive into the intricacies of Bingx, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, you heard it right, there's a cryptocurrency named after the platform itself. The Bingx token is the native utility token of the Bingx ecosystem, and it plays a crucial role in unlocking various benefits and features on the platform. From reduced trading fees to exclusive access to premium services, holding Bingx tokens can be a game changer for serious traders. Now, let's explore the nitty-gritty of trading on Bingx. One of the standout features of this platform is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both seasoned traders and newcomers alike. With a sleek and intuitive design, you can easily navigate through the various trading pairs, charts, and order books without feeling overwhelmed. Speaking of trading pairs, Bingx offers an impressive selection of cryptocurrencies to trade, ranging from industry giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known but promising altcoins. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the crypto world, you'll find ample opportunities to diversify your portfolio and capitalize on market trends. But what truly sets Bingx apart is its focus on security and reliability. The platform employs cutting-edge encryption technologies and robust security measures to safeguard your funds and personal information. Additionally, Bingx adheres to strict compliance standards, ensuring a transparent and trustworthy trading environment for all users. One of the standout features of Bingx is its innovative copy trading system. This feature allows you to replicate the trades of successful and experienced traders, enabling you to learn from the best while potentially generating profits. It's a fantastic opportunity for newbies to gain valuable insights and for seasoned traders to share their strategies with the community. For those seeking more advanced trading options, Bingx offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources. From advanced charting capabilities to real-time market data and insightful analysis, the platform caters to the needs of sophisticated traders seeking to gain a competitive edge. But Bingx isn't just about trading, it's also a vibrant community of like-minded individuals passionate about cryptocurrencies. The platform hosts regular educational workshops, webinars, and social events, fostering an environment where knowledge and ideas are shared freely. Now, let's address the million-dollar question: how can you get started on Bingx? The process is straightforward. Simply visit the Bingx website or download the mobile app, create an account, and you're ready to dive into the world of crypto trading. And don't forget to use the referral code 911 during registration to unlock exclusive benefits and rewards. Bingx is a truly remarkable cryptocurrency exchange that offers a seamless trading experience, robust security measures, and a wide range of features to cater to traders of all levels. With its innovative approach and commitment to excellence, Bingx is poised to become a prominent player in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Bingx community today and embark on an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading. For more information or to stay updated on the latest developments, be sure to follow Bingx on social media platforms and subscribe to their newsletter.